living, and welcome back to our channel. Today we are talking about fireplace mantles. After the holidays, sometimes they feel bare, but also I'm excited to talk about them because you're the queen of changing your fireplace mantle, which I feel like if you just have an itch to switch and you want to make a huge impact in a room, the mantle is the way to go because it's always, or typically, it's the focal point. So sprucing it up, changing it up can make a huge impact in a room without having to, do a huge DIY or make a large investment.
Right. I would say I'm a fireplace girl. I love fireplaces. The truth is, I wasn't always one to swap out the items, accessories and items on my fireplace. But in this home, we've had a lot of fun. It's just a perfect backdrop. Swap out mirrors and swap out accessories.
I'm going to pop up as many photos as I can find of Mom's fireplace mantle. I know for a fact you've had 3 different mirrors.
Right. So when we built the fireplace, it seemed a little more modern to me. But as we've evolved in this home, it's gone a little more coastal, warmer, European, maybe even feel. So what I did was I started with a round mirror that looked like it really fit that fireplace with a more modern look. Mm-hmm. And then I also had one that had an arch, which I actually love that mirror. Love that mirror.
That's still and I feel like so that's an uttermost mirror. I feel like it's the uttermost braided mirror. And although it's not the cheapest mirror on the market, it's not absurdly expensive, but I feel like it goes with any style.
It goes with any style, and I had a friend who wanted it, and I then sold it to her and found this mirror, which I really love because it really warms up the room and gives it just a super cozy European flair.
Yes. So we are going to show you how we are putting all these items on Mom's mantle, and we're going to show you how you can switch it up as well. And we are also going to do my mantle. So,
all right.
You ready?
I'm ready.
Okay.
Let's do it. So basically we were thinking of fun ways you can very simply style your mantle. And again, it's art, it's mirrors, it's a few, maybe you can have gold candlesticks, you can have iron candlesticks, wooden candlesticks, or no candlesticks, you can add plants, but these are some of the ingredients that you can switch out to give a fireplace a whole new fresh look. And while we were doing that, I realized that the painting behind my husband's chair is the same size as the mirror on my mantle. So I said to Shelby, let's see, we've never had art up there.
We've never had art.
Let's see what it looks like. Easy swap, leave all the other accessories, and give it a try.
Let's see. Okay.
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Better.
I love it. So let's talk
about it. I need you to know that we honestly did not know. We've never put this up here before.
So we love it, but I will say it gives a fresh new look. I might change the candlesticks to gold.
Yeah.
And that might be something I would do just to see how it would go.
Or I would love it with wooden candlesticks.
Wooden candlesticks.
Do you have some?
Yeah, I think I do.
Can we try?
Sure, let's try.
I will tell you, this looks like you.
Does it? It's very coastal.
Okay, but
How amazing that you can just transform a fireplace like that in a moment. We did that in 30 seconds.
Yeah, easy. And what if you just felt like, okay, this isn't the look, you could change it again.
Every day.
Just keep a couple vases on hand, a mirror, an art, a few different options for candlesticks, and the possibilities are endless.
Endless. Yeah, it's very fun. I do enjoy doing it. I didn't, like I said, have the elements like I do now. I have 3 pairs of candlesticks, gold, wooden, and bronze. I have a mirror. I have a piece of art. So
you just collected over time.
I've collected over time, and I can swap out at a whim.
We also did my mantle this week. Mom and I went estate sailing this weekend. We released a full video of our haul and what we found. One of the things we found was a mirror. I felt like it needed a little bit different of a finish, so we did the easy off method. If you're interested in learning how to strip wood with easy off, I have a whole blog post that I will link in the description and in the cards. Super easy. So clearly a mirror is...
It's a great element for your mantle.
Yeah.
And again, the feel of a home, Shelby's home naturally lends itself to cottage. And so this particular mirror, it's a vintage piece. It gives a little of a warmer look with us stripping back some of that color.
Mm-hmm.
It's not, bright red anymore. It's just a soft, warm, an aged wood.
Yep.
It gives it an aged wood look, and we love it. And it perfectly fits inside of her home. And I'm super excited.
Yeah, so the next thing that we did, of course, Mom said that adding a dose of green, some life to a mantle. So we added this also wooden vase that we found at the estate sale. And Mom clipped some stems on the way to my house. We have trees.
I'm always on the hunt for stems. So like my eyes are always looking, and it's winter here, but we still have some green. And so I saw these amazing stems. They look almost olive branch looking. And so I clipped them and put them in, and they're so fun.
Yeah. And then we layered some art that we had before the holidays that we got at a vendor warehouse.
Yeah.
And that was that. So you can have both a mirror and art, and it can look amazing. So the only thing I'm missing that you have is I don't have any candlesticks. I pulled those back after the holidays.
Right.
But it's the perfect.
It's perfect.
So I know what you're thinking. What if my mantle needs to function for my TV?
Right. That's what you're thinking.
So if you have been following us for any amount of time, you know that Mom and I are regular home tour ladies. Every single month we go and we tour a local Dallas home enthusiast home, and prior to our home tour videos and vlogs, we were anti-TV over mantle.
Right. But with the advent of the frame TV, we're really loving it because it's looking like it's just a piece of art.
Yeah.
So
we have a friend that did a frame TV, and it was even over a fireplace in an RV. We have shiplap, we have brick, we have all sorts of varieties of fireplaces with frame TVs, or just, honestly, I think Stephanie's is actually just a TV, but what she did was she put a architectural piece over her TV, and that just made it.
Yeah. And I think if you have a more modern look, you can just have simply the TV, but there are a lot of people who are styling with the old barn. She has candlesticks, and she has it recessed a little bit, and she has all manner of dishes and plants and all kinds of fun things.
Yeah. People have done it right. Samsung has resolved all the issues. This is not sponsored. Neither of us own a frame TV.
Right.
Well, I did. I bought one for the playroom. But anyways, the whole thing is it solved the problem.
Yes.
So Mom has made a couple of design boards or little shop the look mantles.
Yes. So again, took just some of the same elements that we've used here on my mantle and at Shelby's house, and put it together in a way that if you wanted to redo your mantle and style it with some of these ideas, you could do that. We've used arched mirror that's very simply framed. If you want something a little more elaborate, of course, they have some really cool vintage looking arched mirrors with more ornate details. Again, candlesticks come in every variety of size, shape, and color. Some wood, some metals, and living things. We love living things on the mantle. It brings life to any space and to your fireplace hearth. So these are some of the things we use, and we hope you love them.
Yeah. So I hope that you enjoyed our Style the Mantle. It's been a fun week of refresh. Are you gonna leave your new look up or switch it back?
Oh, it's so hard. Honestly, I truly do not know. It's kind of like, it's like the Christmas tree.
So
Am I going to leave it up all year? Am I going to take it down?
No. If you don't have reference, she's talking about a Christmas tree that's in her guest room, a Christmas, we call it the Christmas room.
Yes.
She's not talking about the main Christmas tree. But
lights are still on the house. No, I'm just kidding.
I hope that you leave it. I feel like it goes with like this natural wood elements that you have all throughout your built-ins, but I think you're gonna change it back to the mirror.
I just really love my mirror because it reflects my beautiful light, and my light fixture is really fun, and I like that. But I'll leave it today. How about that? Okay.
She's gonna leave it today, but I hope she leaves it for you. Can you comment below what you think Mom should do? That's the
mantle 1, mirror, mantle 2, maybe some art.
Yes. Okay. Close us out.
Okay, so like and subscribe, share the videos with your friends, and we hope you have a great and wonderful day.
Bye, guys.
Bye.